I'm trying to get an estimate through Liberty Mutual. I'm on their website right now and doing an online estimate. But the problem is, I want to add collision onto the policy, and I've already added comprehensive. You can see over here comprehensive. And I'm trying to add collision. When I click on it, this is what it says. It says you have to first include comprehensive coverage, which I've already done. This is a case where it's a good example of how you have online software, and it's not properly tested. And so this is a little frustrating. They should probably hire someone who can do proper testing of their website. And so I don't think I'm going to sign up for Liberty Mutual because I can't even get past this step to get my auto online estimate for insurance. It's a bit annoying. So software testing 101, someone should test it.